keep forgetting to ask you electric haters, you guys that are so obsessed with sound and smell and nothing else. If you saw this tweet by your boy, Logan Carnow, from last weekend, any other riders feel under the weather from this weekend? Heard a few other guys feel like shit too. And then there's a long thread of all kinds of other people who felt sick as well. Justin Starling says he's been feeling bad around the night show time. Probably should have went outside more. Guys, this is not a good thing. That's not good for the sport when people are getting sick from fumes and stuff. And that's something that electric has the potential to at least help with, at least complement the gas bikes enough to give time for the air to clear and make things better for everybody. We're never going to grow if people are ending up sick and in the hospital. This replier is talking about Minneapolis last year where people literally ended up in the emergency room.